How do you stop it?
It's on the back.
Oh, okay.
What's up, y'all? Oh no, the battery is on 1. Today, I am going to brunch with Elise, and so I probably need to get ready because she already took a shower. Yeah, we're gonna go eat downtown. Oh, it's going. That was my mom. So I will charge the battery while I get ready and be back, hopefully not looking like this. Hello, I'm back. Look at that. Yes. And this is my outfit. Alright, yep. So I'm wearing this striped shirt that I wore for Thanksgiving with some high-waisted shorts from Kohl's and my Converse. Obviously, gotta have those. So I am going to go pick up Elise and we're gonna go to Houston. So let's go get her. Hey, we're gonna go get Elise, and I'm going to assume that she's at her mom's house. But look, speed bumps. Big. Look at this picture of me and Michael. How cute. Best friends till the end. Woo! Look at all the chocolate bars I have just sitting in my car because they were $1, and I was sad and I needed chocolate. I'm gonna drag it down. Ah! It's kind of sprinkling. Basic. Basic dog selfie. Where is she? I see her! I see Elise. Hi. Hi. So cute. Hey. We got lost. Hello.
Yeah, I think we're kind of close. Not positive.
It says 4 minutes.
How do you stop it?
It's on the back.
Oh, okay.
We're here. We made it. I don't know.
Let's just go around.
We don't know what we're doing. Did I lock my car?
I think so.
This is sketchy. I'm scared.
But yeah.
Alright. I think we found the actual legit front of the
I
restaurant.
think we did.
Not the sketchy back way. I'm still scared. Okay. Hi.
Hi.
This is our sweet tea.
Yeah, they're like...
It looks like orange juice. We tried the sweet
Yeah, don't
tea.
get this one.
Oh yeah, that one was
Yeah,
bad.
there's a better one.
Oh, okay, you'll have to show me.
Okay.
I did not like that. This sweet tea is really good. It's like sweetened with honey.
That's how you know it's good.
So good. Look, there's a mirror behind me. Oh, look at that. Chicken and waffles. High qual chicken and waffles.
So pretty.
That's as much as I ate. That's all I could eat.
There's like one little chicken left.
She's a winner.
I am. I win.
Yeah, look at that. There's bones. Where's my one little piece of waffle left?
Eat it.
I can't.
Yes, you can. See, not with that attitude.
That dude who was sitting next to us was looking at us.
Really?
He left, yeah. Alright, well, we just ate.
And I'm full.
And I'm very full. And Elise tripped, kind of.
Almost.
Oh my gosh, I'm so full, but it was so good. It was very expensive, but it was worth it because
Tea was worth it.
the sweet tea, yes, the $3.25 sweet tea, definitely worth it. Chicken and waffles, definitely worth it. Yeah, Houston. What if I put it right there?
Oh, there we go. Oh. Hello.
I guess I should start the car.
So it's recording. Did you not just see me do that?
I did.
So I put on my lip blush.
Are you kidding me right now? Why is my life a mess?
That's a pretty color.
Thank you. Cool. You want a mint?
Glossy. Yes, please. Thank you.
Love Houston.
The fewest commercials on #1 for New Country, the latest.
Gosh darn, Tori. Oh, I can turn here. Can I turn here? I hate Houston. I can turn here. Oh, Vietnamese cuisine, my people. Oh no.
I'm gonna call them.
Okay.
I'll just call Leia.
Can I go straight from here?
Hey, wait, Tori, talk.
Okay, hi Leia.
Hi.
Are y'all busy tonight, you and Hannah?
Hannah, are we busy tonight? Why you wanna go area or park?
Huh?
I'm kidding.
There's this thing.
Sure.
There's this.
Sorry, go ahead.
Oh my gosh, you have a tissue? Red phlegm.
Oh, gross.
Hello?
Hello.
Now it's straight.
Like me?
Oh. Why are these pigeons?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! What?
They just went up and came back down. What bird's so stupid?
Love Houston. I love Houston.
Wow, we look really hot.
We do.
Story in theaters now. Freddie Crew's very excited. If you and 3 friends want to go see it,
I don't have 3 friends.
Like, I don't know what I was doing.
I can't.
Hey!
Yeah, I told my mom. Dog! Where? Right there.
Dog! Oh, that's a pretty dog. We are currently at the Galleria. Right there.
Yeet, yeet, yeet.
For a second, he kind of looked like Kanye West. Food is life, create and savor.
Lord and Savior. My Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. Eat, 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 eat.
Wow, you look like a mom.
I am. So we made it. It took me 3 tries to park my car. Am I on the line? No, almost. I backed in. There's Elise.
Hi.
Booty.
Yeah, Mimosa.
I want my house stairs to look like that.
Yeah.
When I get old and have a house. Can you see them? Yes, right there. Those stairs. I feel like this did not look like this 2 days ago. Oh my god, there's so many people. I have this one.
They're hiding.
We went to Lulu. I have a bag. Oh, it smells like a nice boy. I'm confused. We need to go find a director. I ate too much chicken and waffles. So we're buying my mom makeup at the Galleria.
What'd you get her?
I'm getting her eyeshadow that she wanted and cream. Oh, sign. Okay.
Okay, we're done.
So we're at Barings now. And we're gonna buy something. But there's an exit at the Galleria that's about this big, and my car's about this big, and I'm pretty sure I just scraped up the whole side of my car, so we're gonna go look at it because I'm cringing really hard right now. It's not good. My baby!
Here's what it looks like. It's right there.
I'm angry! That's so sad!
Hello!
Hello.
So, update.
I have to return everything I bought today. And literally, if I return it, what is my mom going to get for Christmas? The weather is literally the way I feel. And I've never felt more like one with nature.
I want to go see the Nutcracker. Right there. Very, very cool. Unique. Like me. We will now end this.
Yeah, we're just gonna keep driving. We'll update you soon. Help. We picked up Libby.
What is this, a vlog?
We can take a selfie. Libby's out.
But it's a video. I was like, do people still go on the moon? He's like, no. And then he told me that NASA is not putting people in space anymore. Hi. How are you? I am good. How are you? Good, thank you. Look, my eyes are going in all different directions. Oh, it's like I'm a spider. Don't copy me.
Yeah.
I want to be a bus driver one day.
Can you see it? Oh, there it is.
What car am I get?
We'll update when we get closer to food.
Hello.
We decided on food.
We are getting Patagonia Grill and Cafe. We will see if they have Patagonia shirts.
I've never been here. I've never even heard of this place.
Yeah, me either.
So-
It has 4 stars. Look, they support Hawaii. If you ask for the whole chicken,
They would give you the whole thing.
Look at that. It zooms so slow. Hello.
hi.
Where's Libby?
That place was a 9 out of 10.
Yes, that was so good.
Definitely would recommend.
10 out of 10 would recommend to a friend. So definitely recommend Patagonia Grill and Cafe. And it was like better than Carrabba's.
Yeah.
And it had the same type of food.
Yep.
So now we're gonna go to the play.
If you spend a good amount of time at Goodwill, like you will find good stuff.
No, we're here.
I don't know where this is.
Look at how cute.
Wait, I want to take a picture. Show the thing.
Okay,
That's so cool.
this is where we are.
I can't believe I brought this.
Oh dear.
I thought it was going to be raining, but it's really just kind of mid-color.
There's a lot of children. A lot of crying.
It's so awkward in like church, you know?
Heaven and nature,
It's over. But
It was so good.
I give
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Yes.
Good dinner, good show.
And heaven and nature sing.
Let heaven and nature sing.
you can see us in the mirror.
Be some, bruh.
Y'all seen this before?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's
Yeah.
on PBS.
It is.
Houston.
Why is it searching you? Libby.
Hey. Hi.
Hi.
I'm taking them home.
No, you're not.
Okay. You can stay
Look, it's like
forever.
strobe lights. It's outrageous!